Hey, it's your boy Brandon, aka Be the Marketing Dude on Instagram, and I wanted to make this video and give you guys 3 tips, right, that you will need to be thinking about if you want to work from home, if you want to make money from home, right? And so if you want those tips, right, just stay tuned to the end of the video, right? Because look, most people come online and they cut these videos about how to work from home, how to make money online, right? All of these hows, and all they really do is present different opportunities to you on how you can make money, which is fine, right? Because you cannot make money online, you cannot work from home without an opportunity, a product, or a service, right? And so, yeah, if you want to go out there and fill out surveys, cool, right? Just know you're not going to be able to make a sustainable income. You're not going to be able to make 3,000 to 5,000 or more filling out surveys, right? You can do tasks for business owners or businesses, right? Some of these websites, they'll hire you to do certain little small tasks, data entry, things of that nature. Cool, you can do that as well if you want to work for somebody else and get paid pennies on the dollar, right? Because you're not going to get paid that much doing little small tasks, right? And so most of the people that are making real money online, they're doing a few different things. They're have their own products or services, right? Whether they be digital products, physical products, whether it be their own coaching programs, right? They learn something, right? And so that's the first step, right? Finding a good product, service, or opportunity, right? And I'm gonna go a step deeper, right? So step one, find a good product or service. I'm gonna just say find product. All right, a product that you want to promote, that you like, that resonates with your purpose, right? And to go a step deeper, find a product or service that resonates with something that you are passionate about, right? So if you're a female and you like doing your makeup, right? Find affiliate products, programs, companies that you could either partner with or be an affiliate from, right? Affiliate program, meaning you can refer their products and get a commission, products you already use, right? Just by doing review videos because you use their product, and you could tell the people, about the product, right? So, right, maybe you are into fishing and you find different fishing products and bait and, maybe fishing books, right? And you create an Amazon account and a clickbank.com account, and you find different products relating to the fishing niche, right? Because a lot of people that get online and they just don't make money because they don't have anything that they're passionate about that they can keep going with, right? You can most definitely come online and just start posting ads for different things, right? But your income is going to be small because you're not going to be passionate enough to keep it up. Right now, if you're passionate about fishing and you find something that you really believe in within a fishing niche, guess what? It's going to be easy for you to create content about it, whether it be videos, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, right? And market those products or services and get commissions because you're passionate, right? It's something you are going to do anyway, right? The next thing that you need to do after you find a product, you want to work from home, you want to make money online, find a product, find a strategy that works for you. And I put that "in" part on there because that's very important, right? Because every social media and online strategy, right, realize that people don't make money online if nothing's sold. So you have to find a strategy to market your services, to build your brand, but something that, you like doing, right? So maybe you are really good at Pinterest, or you're always on Pinterest, and you find what lane you want to go into, right? Want to find what lane you want to go into, right? Boom. Why not use Pinterest? You're already using it. Right now you can build your brand, learn the little small things that you need to do, start creating content, and use Pinterest as your strategy that works for you, right? as your traffic strategy. I put traffic below it. Right? Because you want something that you're going to be able to do every day, really. Right? Maybe it takes you an hour a day to put together the post. Maybe you like Facebook, right? Maybe you like YouTube like me, and you create little short videos and put them in front of your target audience just so you can get paid, right? So first thing that you need to do is find a product that aligns with your purpose. Second thing you need to do is find a strategy that works for you. So exposure traffic, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, whatever you are good at doing, right? Don't pick a strategy that you know shit about, or that you aren't really, that you are resistant towards doing, right? Because you want to be able to do something every day, especially if you're using this online income to get out of a job, right? And so the next thing that you need is technology. I spelled this all the way wrong. To make your business efficient. And so what do I mean by that, right? So let's say you start a YouTube channel or maybe an Instagram channel. You find the products that you want, but you have a very inefficient process. Meaning you create content, and then from that content, you tell the people to email you, and then they email you, and now you got 50 emails, and then you're following up so you can pre-qualify them. So now you're following up, you're pre-qualifying before the person even has a chance to buy whatever it is that you had to offer. And so when I say make your life easier through technology, I'm talking about a few different things, right? There's a few different things that you need, and I'm gonna break it down in simple terms, right? So if you want to make autopilot money, like instant money, like go to sleep and people can still buy and receive what you have to offer them, right? You're gonna need a few different things, right? The first thing you're gonna need is a website, right? But there's a specific type of website that you need, right? I have to explain it to people simple because a lot of people just don't know the lingo, right? And so the type of website that you need is called a landing page or a sales funnel. Right? So why do you need a landing page or sales funnel? Two reasons, right? So let's say you did a video, like I said earlier, you're promoting a product or service that you have. You've been doing it inefficient. You've been saying, hey, just email me below and I'll get right back to you, right? But now you want to make it more streamlined so people could just get what they need and you can just send them where they need to go, right? So you send them to your landing page or sales funnel, right? To make your life easier so you're not following up with emails, right? So what a landing page or sales funnel does is it does a few things, right? It's first thing first, it's no distractions for the customer that's going to it, right? Meaning you have one specific program or product that you are referring them to. This one landing page is only offering that one specific product or service that you are recommending them to. And so there's no distractions. They know exactly what to do without getting confused and clicking buttons all over your website, right? Because all of the landing page is a video, is a very simple website with a headline, basically pointing out what they want, sub-headline going into details, and maybe a video with some writing or something like that, and a button that takes them to where they go. So once they click that button, boom, it'll probably be a pop-up, and that pop-up will ask them for their name, email, and phone number. Right? This confuses a lot of people, and I don't want this video to go too long, but you need a sales funnel if you want to be efficient online. And there's very easy ways that you can build a sales funnel. One of the ways that you can build it, you can use a platform that I use, and you can check it out at the link below. It'll be a link to a 7-day trial. So you can take it out, check it out, start building your own sales funnels, websites, and do all of your online marketing as far as branding yourself and things of that nature. But so you get no distractions for the customers. Next thing, you generate leads more efficiently, right? So the inefficient way that most people are doing it is all their leads are in the Gmail, right? All their leads are in Gmail, meaning they're telling people to email them, and they got all these people emailing them in Gmail, and so now you have to go finding people. You lose leads. You can't follow up with them efficiently, right? And so the next thing that you want to have outside of a lead capture page or a landing sales funnel or whatever is a autoresponder. What is an autoresponder? An autoresponder is a place that holds all the emails. It's almost like it's almost like a CRM, right? So if you ever done like any type of sales, like insurance, anything like that, right? Most companies that have like a software CRM program, which means customer relationship manager, which basically is just software that holds all of your customers' information, right? So this could be all of your prospects, all of your customers, all of the people that you need to follow up with, right? And most CRMs, that's how it works, right? And so you want one because instead of telling people to email you, right, you want them to enter their information in so you can get their email, so you can follow up with them automatically, right? And so if you're selling a product, right, it just makes the process easier, right? Because this is why. Boom, they go to your website, they enter in their name and email for whatever it is that they want that you had to offer them. Boom, the next page either takes them to the thing that they want, or it takes them to a page explaining more information about the thing that they want. From that point, boom, it takes them to a page to purchase, right? They can then purchase without being distracted by other things on a crazy website that a lot of you guys feel that you need, right? You really don't need it. You need a sales funnel more than you need this big website explaining your about page and having a contact form and all. You don't need that. You need online a specific page that's going to sell a specific product, right? And so we'll get to that on another video. So boom, they can buy. Once they buy, guess what? Because you have an autoresponder that holds emails, you can actually set emails up before you even send people to this website, right? So when they buy, guess what? They get an automatic email, and they receive the product or service that you were presenting them, right? So I just want you to think how much easier that. These are those 3 tips that I got for you, right? I want you to think about how much easier it would be to have people go to your website, enter in their name and email, purchase, instantly get what they were looking for, and not even have to talk to you one time. You not one time had to go to your Gmail and say, man, let me check all the emails I got and see who I need to talk to today. You don't have to go say, oh man, I remember a girl named Jasmine earlier this week emailed me. I can't find her email. Because she's going to go through the same process. She's going to get what you had for her, and she's not going to have to talk to you, right? So all we're doing here is making your online marketing efforts more online, right? So you don't live on the phone, right? You could put down the phone and pick up the paycheck, right? And that's the ultimate goal. So yeah, that's just my 3 tips if you want to learn how to make money online or work from home. You gotta have a product that most likely resonates with you. You gotta have, I forgot what I said, the second thing. You gotta have a process, and you gotta have a strategy that resonates with you, that something that you can do every day, right? If you have those 3 things, right, you'll be able to make money online in any niche, whether it's travel, whether it's, health and fitness, whether you have your own life coaching programs, right? You want to have systems in place. You want to have that marketing strategy to generate exposure. And you got to have something that you're passionate about so you keep going forward, right? Because if you're not passionate, you're just not going to keep doing it. You're going to fall off, and then your income is going to go to shit. So I hope this gave you guys value. It's your boy, Be The Marketing Dude. If you want more training on how you can start making money using social media and get the social media skills to pay the bills, go to freedomwithbrandon.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Deuce.